When's the last time you got to hug on your parent? When's the last time you got to hold their hand and talk about what they're going through in their life? My mom passed away April 1st of 2020. Her name was Gail, and she was my best friend. She loved the outdoors. And you know what? When she was admitted into the assisted living facilities, we realized that it's just not possible for her to get outdoors. You know, there might be a little horticulture programs, but she truly wanted to get outside and just hear the birds sing, feel the wind blow against her face. But that doesn't exist when you're in these homes. I'm changing that. I started a charity called Trails Please Foundation. Trails Please has a mission statement that's really 2 words: nature heals. And I believe that with this program, we are going to be taking seniors out of these facilities and adding so much to their life. And let's talk about the outdoors, and let's listen, and let's feel. Let's activate these senses that we have. With Trails Please Foundation, I'm out to do that. We are going to help seniors. I would love for you to be a part of this program. So donate today. Thank you so much.